Students, I am Sucheta Osmane, Assistant Professor, Government College, Vijayanagar. Today we are going to learn about solving linear equation with one variable. So in the previous class, I have already explained what in by equation, what are the type of the equation, and how we are recognize the type of equation. That means here, what do you mean by linear equation? That we have to understand first. So what do you mean by linear equation? Linear equation means an equation which involves the power of unknown quantity not higher than first or 1 is called as linear equation. Here, the power of unknown quantity means the value of variable or value of x that we have to find out. That is nothing but a unknown quantity. Usually it is represented by x only. So the power of x is not more than 1, or if it is exactly 1, then the equation is considered as linear equation. Got it? So the linear equation means the power of the x is not more than 1, or it is equal to 1, or if it is usually it is not written. Take for example 2 into x minus 3 is equal to 9 plus 3 into x minus 9. See here, the power of x is not written means it is nothing but 1 only. Therefore, these type of equations are called as linear equation. And then a linear equation in one variable is called as simple equation. That means we got only one variable in the equation. Take for example x only. Or if there are more than two, that is more than one, it become a simultaneous equation or linear equation with two variable. But if we find only one variable like x only, then it is called as linear equation with one variable only. Okay. Now let us start the how to solve the linear equation. So here there is a first problem, solve for x. That means solve for x means find the value of x. So find the value of x. What is the equation here? 3 into x minus 2 minus x minus 1 is equals 7 into x minus 1 and then minus 6 into x minus 2. Here there are two brackets on LHS side and two brackets on RHS side, and they are that is there is a so 7 is outside the bracket and minus 6 is also outside the bracket. Here 3 is outside the bracket. So first we have to simplify the brackets, then we have to solve the variable, that is x value. So how we are to simplify the bracket? First we have to multiply the, that is number which is outside the bracket. See here 3 into x minus 2. Therefore, first multiply these two. That is 3 into x, how much? 3x. And then 2 into minus 2, how much? Minus 6. Similarly, minus 1 here, that means that is not written means it is nothing but minus 1. So minus into plus x, that means minus x, and minus into minus plus 1 here. Next, come to this side. 7 should be multiplied with x, 7x, and 7 into minus 1, it becomes minus 7 now. Next, come to minus 6 is there, minus 6 into x, that is minus 6x, and minus into minus become plus sign, and 6 into 2, it become 12. So on simplification, that means on simplification of the brackets, we are going to get the equation like this. Next, come to simplify the equation on LHS side itself and RHS side itself. See here, how many x are there? 3x. Here, 1x. Therefore, subtract the minus x from the 3x because this is bigger number. So, how much remaining x are remaining? Only 2x because 3 minus 1 is equal to how much? 2. Therefore, 2x are remaining. Next here, minus 6 is there, plus 1 is there. Therefore, greater number is minus 6 and then smaller number is plus 1. So, subtract the number, how much we are going to get, that is minus 5. Next, come to this side. So here 7x minus 7, that is equal to, that is minus 6 plus 12. So here 7x and here minus 6x. Therefore, how much is remaining? 7 minus 6 means that is 1 only. That means 1x. Next, minus 7 and plus 12. How much is remaining? That is 12 minus 7, that is equal to plus 5. Next, transpose x on one side. That means after simplifying this, now we have to find out the value of x. That is why transpose all the x on one side and all the constant on other side. How many x are there? 2x. And then here 1x. Then transpose this x on this side, automatically sign will reverse. That means plus become minus here. And then similarly, 5 is there. This 5 become plus 5 because this is here minus and this equals in ikkade there. So therefore, if it is transferred to this side, automatically it become plus 5. Therefore, 2x minus x, like how many x remaining? 1x and plus 5 plus 5. Therefore, that is equal to 10. Therefore, x is equal to 10. That means 1x is equal to 10 because we have only 1x. Therefore, x is equal to 10. So, this is first problem. This is next come to second problem. Here, there are two brackets on LHS side, sorry, on one side and two bracket on other side. Here, the plane between these two, there is a plus sign and equals is here. That means LHS side, we have these numbers and RHS side, there is only 0. Okay. Next, so therefore, first we have to simplify these two brackets and these two brackets. Then we have to add these two because sign of these between these two is plus. So first we have to multiply these two brackets. So that is x into x, 6 minus x plus 1 into 6 minus x plus next come to this side x into x plus 12 and then minus 8 into x plus 12. So take the inside, that is 6 into x, 6x, x into x, how much? X square, x into x is multiplied with x, then it become x square. So therefore x square, next 6, that is 6 into 1, that is 6 only, and sign here plus 1 is there, here minus 1x is there. Therefore, it become minus x. And here x into x, x square. This is, there are two x plus, that is x into x, not plus. X into x, x square. Next here, plus x, here plus 12. Therefore, it become 12x. Here, minus 8 into x, minus 8x. And minus plus become minus 8 into 12, 96. Then come to this here. Here, how much? 6x minus x square plus 6 minus x plus 6x square plus 12x minus 8x minus 19. 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, here x square get cancelled because here plus x square and minus x square is there. Therefore, these two get cancelled. So, as much as possible, try to, that is, cancel there itself, because here this we are solving the linear equation, we are not solving the quadratic equation. As much as possible, x should be single degree. That is why we have to cancel the, as much as possible, try to cancel the x square there itself, so it get cancelled also. Next, come to simplify this. That is, how much is 6x and then here 1x and then here 12x plus 12x and here minus 8x. That means we are taking all the x on one side, all the constant on other side. Here minus this become plus 6 here, plus 6 here, and here minus 96. When minus 96 transfer to this side, what will be the sign? My plus become, it become plus 96, and this is minus, sorry, plus 6 become, after transfer to this side, it become the minus 6. So how much 6x are remaining here? See here. Here 18x are there because here this is 6 and this is 12. Add together 18x. They both are plus sign. Here minus 8 and minus 1x. Therefore minus 9x. Therefore 18x minus 9x. How many x remaining? 9x here. LHS side. What about the RHS? RHS side 96 minus 6. How much is remaining? 90, because 96 is the greater number. Out of this, 6 is subtracted, remaining is 90. Therefore, 9x is equal to 90. Therefore, x is equal to how much? 90 divided by 9. That is equal to 10. So, this is the value of, that means here, the 9x is equal to 90. But we required only 1x. That is why we are dividing here. 90 divided by 9, that is equal to 10. So, this is your second problem. Next, come to third problem. How it is there? How it is the third problem? See here. In the third problem, there are two square, that is brackets on one side and two brackets on other side. See here, equals, that is equals is in between. So here this is what is a sign between these two brackets. There is no sign, means it is always multiplication sign. That means first bracket is multiplied with second bracket because multiplication, there is no sign. Here also there is no, so we have to multiply. So multiply the first bracket with the second bracket. So 2x into 3x plus 1 and then minus 7 into 3x plus 1. First bracket multiplied with the second bracket. Similarly, 2x into 3x minus 1 plus 5 into 2x plus, that is 3x minus 1. How much we are going to get? 2 into 2, that is 2 into 3, that is equal to 6. 2 into 3, that is 6. X into x, x square. Therefore, 6x square. Next come to this, that is 2x into 1, that is equal to 2x. Next come to this, minus 7 into 3, that become 21x minus 21x. Next, minus 7 into plus 1, that become minus 7. Come to this side, 2 into 3, 6. X into x, x square. Therefore, 6x square. Next, 2x into minus 1, that become minus 2x. So, next here, plus 5 into 3, 15. And x is there, therefore 15x. Come to this, that is 5 into minus 1, this become minus 5. Okay. So, LHS side and RHS side, again, there is a 6x square is there. Here also 6x square is there. When we transport to this side, it becomes minus sign. So it is now we are that is cancelling here itself. Therefore, 6x square and 6x square get cancelled. What is the remaining on this side? That is 2x and minus 21x. Therefore, minus 21x is greater number. Subtract the 2 from 21. How many remaining? Minus 19x remaining. And then this is minus 7. This is LHS side. On simplifying the RHS side here, minus 2x plus 15x. Therefore, plus is the greater number, 15 is greater. 15 minus 2, how much is remaining? 13. What is the sign? Plus. Plus 13x minus 5. This is minus 5. So this is LHS side. Next come to the transfer all the x on one side. That means here minus 19x and then this 13x transfer to this side. Automatically sign will be minus 13x. That is equal to, here this is already here itself. Therefore, minus 5, there is no change in the sign. But it comes to this side. Automatically this sign will become plus 2, plus 7. So what is the remaining? This is also minus 19. This is also minus 13. So add together minus 32x. Minus 32x is equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to, here 32x is equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2 divided by 32. Remember, that is 36, 32x value is equal to 2. X value, we want only one x value. That is why minus 2 divided by 32. That is further simplified, that is 2 ones are 2 16s are. So minus 1 divided by 16. So this is your third problem. Next come to fourth problem. What is the fourth problem? So here observe the fourth problem. X square minus 8x plus 25 is equal to x into x minus 4 minus 25 x into 5 minus 5, that is equal to minus 16. See here, it is already simplified. No need to simplify. So, but here there are brackets are there. This side we have to simplify first. So, first step, simplify the RHS side, this side first. So, multiply the x into x minus 4. So, x into x, how much? X square. And then 4 into x means 4x. Next, minus 25 into x, minus 25x. Minus into minus plus 25 into 5, 125. Got it? Plus 125. And then here minus 16. It is outside the bracket. So it is put as usual. Next, simplify this equation. It becomes x square minus 29x because here minus 25x minus 4x. Add together. Both the sign are same. That is why there is no change in the sign. So minus 29x, because we are not multiplying, we are adding or we are subtracting like that here. So we are adding the two numbers. So minus 29x plus that is 105, because 125 minus 16, how much we are going to get? 109. This is on simplification of the RHS side. Next, come to LHS is equal to RHS now. Now, that is put all these equation, that is x square minus 8x plus 25 is equal to x square minus 29x plus 109. 109. This is not 119. This is 109. This is 19. Okay. This is LHS side. This is RHS side. Here also x square is there. Here also x square is there. So cancel these two terms because this is on LHS side. This is on RHS side. Automatically they get cancelled. Okay. Next come to, that is minus 8x. Here minus, this is minus 29x. When it is transferred to this side, automatically sign will be plus 29x. Next, similarly, this become minus, that is minus 109, and then this is plus 25 because we are transferring to this one. Therefore, minus 109 plus 25 is equal to 0. Now transfer the variables on one side. That means here 29 plus sign, 8 is minus sign. What is the remaining? 21x is the minus, that is here 109. Here minus sign, this is plus sign. How much is remaining? Minus 84. 109 minus 25. What is the sign? Here 109 is a bigger number. So bigger number sign should be kept here. So minus 184. So 21x is equal to, transpose this to this side. It does minus sign become plus sign. Minus 84. Therefore, x is equal to 84 divided by 29. 84 divided by 29. Therefore, x is equal to 4. So, this is the value of x. That means x is equal to 84. This is your fourth problem. Next, come to fifth problem. How is this? See here, the problem is little bit different. Here, we find the fractions. Here, x minus 5 divided by 10 plus x plus 5 divided by 5, that is equal to 5. So here the first term is in fraction, second term is also in fraction. LHS side we find the constant number. So first we have when we are adding the two fraction, then because sign is plus sign, so we have to add these two terms. While adding the fraction, we have to take the LCM. That I have already told you in the previous class itself. While adding the fraction, we have to take the LCM of the denominator. What is the denominator? 10 and 5. So what is the LCM for 10 and 5? 5 ones are, 5 twos are, and 5 into 2, 10. So 10 is the LCM. 10 is the LCM of these two numbers. So 10 is the LCM. 10 divided by 10, how many times it goes? Only one time. Therefore, x minus 5 into 1, that is 1 is not written here outside the bracket. I have not written the 1. It is nothing but x, the 10 divided by 10, how many times it goes? One time. So 1 into x minus 5 plus 2 into, that is 2. How you got the 2? That is 5 divide the 10. How many times 10 goes? 5 divided by 5. 2 times. That is why 2 into x plus 5. So 2 into x plus 5, that is equal to 5. So next we have to take the simplify the bracket. Therefore x minus 5. Next 2 into x, 2x, 2 into 5, 10. So that is equal to 5. Now cross multiplication, 10 into 5, that is equal to how much? 50. Because this is in LHS side, this is RHS side. Therefore, after simplify, then we have to cross multiply this 10 into 5, that becomes 50. So x, that means x minus 5 plus 2x plus 10 is equal to 50. This is LHS side, this is RHS side. So how much is remaining? Here this is plus x, here is also plus x, that is why 3x. Next here minus 5, this is plus 10. Therefore, which is the bigger number? 10 is the bigger number. Subtract the minus 5. So what is the remaining? 5. So next 50. This is not taken out this side now. Now I am going to take this. That is 3x is kept outside. That is LHS side, and constant numbers are transposed. That means here plus 5 become minus 5. So how much is remaining now? 3x is equal to 45. That means here 50 minus 5, how much? 45. Therefore, 3x is equal to 45. What about the x value is equal to x is equal to 45 divided by 3. That is equal to 15 because we got here 3x is equal to 45. But we require 1x value. Therefore, 1x is equal to 45 divided by 3. That is equal to 15. So, this is our fifth problem. Next, come to next problem. Yeah. So see this problem here. On LHS side, we find one fraction. RHS side, we find another fraction. That's all. So find the value. Problem is simplify, solve, or that's only. Solve x minus 4 divided by 7, x minus 10 divided by 5. In such a cases, here see the equation that is equal. That means this is LHS side, this is RHS side. So no need to take the LCM because this is outside, this is one side, this is one side. So directly take the cross multiplication. That means cross multiplication is what? So that is, this is multiplied with this and this is multiplied with this. Therefore, x into 10, that is 7 into x minus 10 and 5 into x minus 4. So what is the next one? 7 into x, 7x. 7 into minus 10, that become minus 70. Similarly, 5 into x, 5x. And then 5 into minus 4, that become minus 20. Therefore, 7x minus 5x, that means x's are transferred to one side. 7x, this become minus 5x because we have plus sign. Here, if it is transferred to this side, automatically minus 5x. Similarly, here it is already this side, that means the RHS side. Now we are transferring the minus 70 to RHS side. Sign will become plus sign. How much is remaining? 7x minus 5x. Remaining is 2x. 2x is equal to how much is here? Which is the bigger term? 70 is the bigger term. Therefore, 70 minus 20, how much is remaining? 50. Therefore, 2x is equal to 50. Therefore, x is equal to 50 divided by 2. That is equal to 25. So, this is our sixth problem. What is the next problem? Okay, let us come to this problem. Here, see, this is little bit difficult because we find the mixed fraction here also. So here, 2x plus 5 by 3 into x minus 7 and then minus 6 by 7 into x minus 8 minus 4x, sorry, this is equals. Equals, that means this is on LHS side, this is in not minus because see here, here is, that is a my equals. So it is equals 4x minus 14 divided by 1 by 3. So this is in mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means there are three terms here, 14, 1 by 3. So simple, this should be converted into simple fraction first. So here the mixed fraction must be converted to fraction. So fraction must be taken inside the bracket there. Okay. 14 into 3 means 42. 42 plus 1 means 43. See here. 43 divided by 3. This is mixed fraction. Now it is converted to simple fraction. So here 2x plus 5 by 3. See here. It should be taken inside the bracket. That is why 2x, that is 5 into x, 5x divided by 3. And then 5 into minus 7, that is equal to 35. 7 into 5, 35. Next, simplify these two terms. 6 into x, 6x. And minus 6 into minus 8. That means y it become plus 48. See here, this is minus, this is also minus. Minus into minus plus 6 into 8, 48. 48 divided by 7, that is equal to 4x minus 43 divided by 3 because simple term, that is mixed fraction becomes simple fraction 43 divided by 3. Next, what is the LCM? Because here, these are all fraction. We have to take the LCM. LCM of 3 and 7, that is 21. 3 into 7, how much? Because here also 3, here also 3, 7, 7. So we have to set the, that is RHS sides LCM. That is 3 into 7, that is 21. So 21, here there is no 1, that is 2x divided by 1 here. So 1 into 21, how much? 21. 21 into 2, 42. 21 into 2, 42x plus next one, 5x That is 21 divided by 3. How many times it goes? 7 times. 7 into 5, 35. Next, that is 21 divided by this 3. How many times it goes? 7. So therefore, 7 into 35, this is become 245 minus here 7, that is the 21 divided by 7. How many times it goes? 3 times. 3 into 48. So that become 3 into 48. That become, that is 144. See here, this is 144. This is 6 into 3. That become minus 18. See here, minus 6. So therefore 6, that is 7. 21 divided by 7. How many times it goes? 3 times. 3 into 6, 18. Next, 7 divide the 21. How many times? 3 times. Therefore, 48 into 3, 144. This is LHS side. Similarly, come to this side. What is the LCM? 3 is the LCM. So here also fraction is there. Therefore, we have to take the 3 as LCM. 3 into 4, 12x. 3, that is, what is the term here? Only 1. 4x divided by 1. Therefore, 1 is there. 1 divide the 3. How many times it goes? 3 times only. So 4 into 3, 12x minus 43, because 3 ones are 3 into 43, 43 only. So this is on RHS side. Next, come to cross multiplication, because we have simplified. Now 21 into this numerator, 3 into, that is this denominator into this numerator. So before that, add these two. This is 42x, this is 35x. Add this, we are how much we are going to get? That is, this is plus, this is plus, this is minus. So add these two terms, 42 plus 35. Add these two and subtract this 18. How much is remaining? 59x. Next, 245 minus 144. How much is remaining? 101. Okay, 101. And this is multiplied by this 3. This is numerator multiplied by this 3. Next, this is 2x minus 43 multiplied by 21. That is 21 into 12x minus 43. See here, first 3 into 59, 177x, and then 3 into 101, that is 303. Next, 21 into 12, 252x, 21 into minus 43, that is equal to 903. Okay. Now transpose the x on one side and constant on other side. See here, 177x and 252x. So if it is transferred to this sign, this become minus sign. So that is why I am simply kept minus 75, because we have to 252 minus 177. What is the sign? Minus. This is the minus sign. So minus 75x. Next, minus 903. This is minus. This become plus 303. What is the remaining? That is 600. Therefore, minus 75x minus 600. X is equal to minus minus get cancel. 600 divided by 75, that is equal to 8. This is your next problem. Okay. This is the next problem. Next problem is in a fraction. See, 3 divided by x minus 6 plus 7 divided by x minus 2, that is equal to 10 divided by x minus 4. So there are two fractions are on this side and one fraction on this side. See here, first LCM of these two terms is x minus 6, x into x minus 2. So this is because this is not a constant term. When this type of denominators are there, then we have to take the LCM as given itself. Therefore, the two brackets become the LCM. So here one bracket is there, 6x minus 6. That will that is one time it will that means we can cancel it. Therefore, what is the remaining? X minus 2, 3 into x minus 2 plus 7 into x minus 6, because this is remaining. That is equal to 10 divided by x minus 4. Next, take inside 3x minus 6 plus 7 into x minus, next 7 into minus 6, 42. And then 10 into the, that is 6x minus 4. Now cross multiplication, these two terms. That is why cross multiplication of these two terms, that means 10x, what is the remaining here? See, this is 7x plus 3x, 10x minus 48, because 42 and this is minus 6, altogether 48. Next 10 divided by, then now cross multiplication, this two term and these two term. What, how much we are going to get? This is, we are going to get after cross multiplication, this way and this way. Got it? So after multiplication, we are going to get these terms, and then 10x is here, 10x is here, get cancelled. So see here, 10x is also get cancelled. So must cancelling 10x to the power x. So cancel these two term. I have not shown the cancel sign here, but remain cancelling 10x square because both side are there. That is why I am cancelling these two term. And then my, what is the remaining? See here, this is 48x, this is 40x. Therefore, both are same sign, minus 88x. And then this is plus 192 this side on this side. Next come to this side, this is minus 20x, this is minus 68. Add together, that is minus 80x and plus 120. Now minus 88x, and then this transfer to this sign, that means plus sign. So 80x, that is equal to 120. This is already 120 in this side, and this is transfer to this side 192. So here minus minus get cancelled. What is the remaining? Minus 8x is equal to minus 72. Therefore, x is equal to minus n get cancelled. X is equal to minus 72 divided by minus 8. That is equal to 9. That is equal to 9. So that means minus 72 divided by 8. How much you are going to get? We are going to get 9. So this is your last but one problem. Next, we are in the last problem. See here, in the problem we are given the points. That means here 3.75x plus 0.5 is equal to 2.25x plus 8x. So here the LHS side there is a point is there. This is also point is there. So how to that is first we have to transpose it because it is already in a simplified manner. So no need to convert. There is no bracket, nothing else, or fraction. Or we have no need to take anything. Just simply transfer. This is only for 2 marks problem. Just a simple problem. What we have to do? So 3.75x is here. Only the thing it is in fractional form, decimal form only. Okay, not in the fraction, but it's decimal form. 3.75x, this now 2.25x transferred to this side, and then similarly 8 is here. 0.5 is transferred to this side means minus 0.5. Got it? Therefore, what is the remaining? 3.75x minus 2.5x. What is the remaining? 3.75 minus 2.25. What is the remaining? 1.5. And then x is there. X put 1.5x is remaining. How much is remaining here? 8 minus 0.5. That is 7.5. So 1.5 x is equal to 7.5. What is the value of x? That means coefficient of x is how much? 1.5. And then constant term is how much? 7.5. So divide the 7.5 by the coefficient of x. That is 7.5. That is 75. That means if you want to cancel the decimal, we can simply multiply it by 10. This becomes 75 and 25. Or simply 7.5 divided by 1.5, we are going to get the 5. So this is your final answer. So this is linear equation with one variable x only. We have here we have solved many problems with different varieties only. Okay, this I am going to